May topic na ako. Ako rin eh. This is so cool. Cute to. Dumating na ang iyong bagong housemate.
Hey guys, we have to go.
Yeah, out and welcome her.
Guys, may feeling ako.
Si Sneer.
Alam ko na.
Asa si Sneer?
Alam ko na rin.
Oo nga, si Sneer.
Tama ka dyan.
Ayan, kailangan natin mag-tipon-tipon-tipon. Yeah.
Go back to the proper seats. Please, everyone.
Secretas ka talaga!
Napaaga ka sa picture, sa PTA natin. What happened to you? Everyone, I need you to go back to their proper seats right now. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nakakatakot siya. Nag-beat pa kami. Ayusin mo kami.
Grabe yung kilay ni teacher.
Morning, ma'am.
Grabe!
Ma'am, ba't dito pa tayo kilay nyo, ma'am? Ma'am, ba't dito pa tayo kilay nyo, ma'am?
Ginamit mo yung marker.
Drawing yung kilay. Oh my gosh.
Di ba?
Nag-ready po.
May nakakatawa ba, boys at the front? Sabi ni. Casey, present if you are... If I call your name. Ashley.
Present.
AC.
Present.
Rob.
Present.
Charlie.
Present.
Josh.
Present.
Josh.
Present.
Will.
Present.
Clarice. Mamaya pa yung PTA natin. Bakit andyan? Mika.
Present.
Brent.
Present.
Easy.
Present.
Kira.
Present.
Michael.
Present.
River.
Present.
Dustin.
Present.
Iba, ibihis pa ako.
Uy, mukha kang estudyante dyan.
Kaya nga. Hindi ko pinakamukhang ko lang ka ng candy.
Kunin ko lang po yung name tag ko, ma'am.
So everyone, I am Ma'am Castro, and I am your newest housemate.
Yeah!
Now get one whole sheet of paper.
Huh?
Wala, di ba?
Wala.
Yes.
May toothbrush kayo. So, I want you all to introduce yourself to me so that, like, I can know you. What's your motto in life and what's your hobby? Ashley.
Nakakabahan ako. Hello, Ma'am Castro. I'm Ashley Ortega, but you can call me Ash po. My motto in life is tapang naman. Try until you succeed. And my hobbies are eating, working out, watching movies, and...
You mean now, it? AC, Bonifacio. Ano mo si...
Andres Bonifacio.
Andres Bonifacio dun sa kabilang set.
Wala po.
Okay.
Okay, hello po. Easy Bonifacio po. Nice to meet you. Motto in life, easiest. Not give up. Do not give up when it gets super hard. Hobbies, I dance po. Okay.
Me too. Ralph?
Good morning, Ma'am Castro. I am Ralph De Leon. My motto is excellence is not an act, it is a habit. And my hobbies include judo, working out, and rock climbing.
What a talented sport you are. Charlie? May nakakatawa ba, Charlie?
Wala po.
Go.
Hello po, Ma'am Castro. I'm Charlie Fleming. My motto in life is don't do to others what you're gonna do with that dessert. Yeah.
Don't mind my joggers, class. I am a PE teacher.
Thank you.
Anong section to? Sobrang ingay. Josh?
Yo, hi, Ma'am Castro. It's nice to meet you. My name's Josh. My motto in life, just stay positive because everything happens for a reason. My hobbies, I like playing basketball. I love sports and yeah, nice to meet you.
Exactly. Will?
Hello, Ma'am Castro. My name is Will Ashley. And my motto in life, do things that your future self will thank you for. Hobbies. I play computer games, basketball. Yun lang po.
Computer. Naman tayo. Ba't may nakisiting parents dito? Clarice?
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I used to be a co-teacher. Remember?
Oh, ikaw yung sa...
I saw you at the faculty earlier.
Repeater ka ba?
Yes, I brought my song.
Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
I'm Clarice de Guzman. I can sing, act, dance, cook, name it, I'll do it. Wow. My motto in life, kapag may tiyaga, pagod ka.
Oh, yes.
Thank
you so much, Clarice.
Thank you.
You may now stand up still. Mika?
Hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm Mika Salamanca. I sing, I do vlogs, I content create, and my motto in life is do whatever you love as long as you're not hurting anyone intentionally.
Gandang bata nito, na pwede ito pang Miss Intrams, di ba?
Thank you, Ma'am Castro.
Ikaw, Brent? Patapyasan yung parang more than 3 centimeters na yung buhok niya. Patapyasan ko yan later, ha?
Okay. I'm Ma'am Castro. I'm Brent Manalo. Motto in life, go, grow, and glow. Hobbies, traveling.
Kamukha mo yung asawa ko. May asawa ko eh. Easy? Bakit naka-sleeveless yan? Ha, hindi yan pwede dito sa school natin, ha? Oh, pati ikaw, Charlie. Bakit ganyan? Dapat, demure yung mga babae. Go.
Okay, hi, Ma'am Castro. I'm AZ Martinez. Motto in life is always trust in the Lord. And hobbies are off-road, camping, racing. Yes.
And making soup. Soup? Okay. Kira?
Good morning po, Ma'am Castro. My name is Kira Ballinger. My hobbies or the things that I'm good at is acting, singing, playing the guitar, writing songs. My motto in life is be kind and compassionate towards others.
Such a smart girl. Stand still.
Yeah.
Okay. Michael! Oh, you seem so very prepared. So excited to meet me.
Hi, Ma'am Castro. Ako po si Michael Sager. I'm an actor and a host. My motto in life is the past is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and the present is a gift. That's why you live life one day at a time.
Wow. Michael, balita ako, hindi ka daw nakatulog kagabi. Sobrang excited ka kagabi.
Kasi mama, ramdam ko na darating po kayo at excited lang po akong makita ko yung mukha ninyo at yung kilay ninyo.
Gusto ko yung wow mo ngayon. River, bawal magsanda dito next time sa class, ha?
Yes po, Ma'am Castro.
Class! Shut up! Go.
I'm Ma'am Castro. I'm River Joseph. I like acting, playing basketball and golf. And my motto in life is just go with the flow.
Sample.
Single pa yung papa mo?
Wala na po.
Sorry. Dustin?
I'm Ma'am Castro. I'm Dustin Yu. My favorite quote in life is just do it. And my hobbies are...
Just do it!
Bakit?
Parang same.
My hobbies are playing basketball, swimming, and golf.
Okay, thank you. So since this is my classroom, ako yung masusunod dito sa classroom na to. I have my rules and regulations, okay? Number 1, bawal lang mga magaganda, dapat ako lang. Sa lahat ng mga magaganda, wala naman, okay lang naman. Number 2, no cursing of words, okay? Strictly no saying of bad words. Number 3, no phones. Phones are allowed pala. Where are your phones? Get it?
Here.
Oh. Number 4, papatawag ko kayo sa principal's office. Once I caught you cheating.
Got you.
See? That's a brain exercise for y'all.
I hate this school! My God! My God!
Clarice, mag-sit in the air dito sa harapan. And lastly, I want you all to respect yourselves. Okay? Joshi, what's the English of? I will not tolerate bullying in this class. Understood? Yes? Okay. Class dismiss and cook me some morning breakfast.
What do you want, Mom?
Anything. Okay. Oh, lastly, dapat may mga bigay kayo 2 gifts sa Teacher's Day sa akin. Okay? It's not a want, it's a need. It's a necessity, okay? You have questions?
Mag-toothbrush na kayo, ma'am.
Nagmadali ako eh. Actually, nagulat din ako eh, class. Kakagising ko lang kanina.
Bakit suot niyo po yung sapatos ni Sir? Co-ed, kuya, co-ed.
It's a new trend.
Unisex.
Unisex po itong ano.